In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your video privacy settings to maintain control over who can download or view your content online. We'll walk through a few essential steps designed to ensure your videos are accessed only by the intended audience, helping you protect your intellectual property and maintain a level of privacy that suits your needs. Let's start with the settings in the Share tab of your video's customization options. Here, there's a straightforward way to manage download permissions. Simply locate the Download option and uncheck it. By doing this, you effectively remove the download button from the player interface, preventing viewers from downloading your video. This small step provides an additional layer of security, ensuring that others can't easily store your content on their devices without your consent. Next, let's talk about folder settings. When you're managing multiple videos, organizing them into folders can make content management significantly easier. Within any given folder's settings, you have the ability to toggle download permissions for anyone who possesses the folder link. This feature is especially useful when you're sharing multiple videos with a group, providing you with control over access permissions without having to individually manage each video. Simply navigate to the appropriate folder settings, and you'll find the option to allow or disallow downloads. By customizing these settings, you can restrict file access to viewing only, which further enhances the security of your shared content. Beyond download settings, it's also important to utilize various privacy controls to effectively limit video access. Employing features like password protection is a great start. By assigning a unique password to your videos, you can ensure that only authorized individuals can view them. This method is particularly useful if you're hosting sensitive or proprietary content that should remain confidential from the general public. Additionally, consider using locked folders. This privacy feature allows you to maintain strict access controls on a group of videos, making it easier to manage accessibility for multiple files in one go. Lastly, think about using restricted embeds. This option allows you to control on which domains your videos can be embedded. By specifying trusted domains, you limit the chance of your video appearing on unintended or unauthorized websites, thus maintaining greater control over your content's distribution. By following these steps, you'll have a strong foundation for managing the privacy and accessibility of your video content. These strategies are designed not only to protect your work, but to ensure that it reaches the right audience in a controlled environment. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay safe and smart when sharing your content online.